Build versus buy is over. Now it is buy and build. Here is how you build your own apps on Point5.
Point5 ships with pre-built apps for the workflows every team already runs, such as anomaly detection, savings opportunities, or analytics. Every app runs on real data. Connect a sheet, upload a CSV, or write SQL against a source, and it's part of the app immediately. Now, let's build your own. Just describe what you need, and the Builder agent builds a working application from the prompt. Keep refining it in the same conversation. Ask for a comments column, and it appears live. Builder also works from what's already on hand. Drop in a chart and ask it to build one just like it. Once it's built, you can export any app to PDF or pull the underlying table as a CSV. Once your app is published, it runs as code, predictable, repeatable, ready to share with your team or organization. A dashboard for leadership. A Kanban for tracking opportunities. A budgeting model nobody had a template for. Whatever the workflow, it's the same platform and the same prompt away.